How's my fit? How do I look, guys?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Would recommend.
I look good. Even like the nice blue shoes, they're tropics colors in a way. No.
No, wait, I'm sorry, you can see it.
You see them?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? We just picked up some
Slow down.
Yeah, we just picked up some Phil's coffee. If you guys haven't tried it before, it's really good. I get the mint mojito. If you guys are ever in California, definitely check out the spot. This is not a sponsor for Phil's coffee. I'm just giving them a shout out. Today, well, this intro, I didn't film an intro before the game, so this is after the game. So the game's already happened. We played the Phantoms, and it was actually a really good game. I played really good. I had 36 shots. I normally don't get that many shots. We got outshot, and we still dominated the game. My positioning was really good. You guys will see in the video. I almost called out the score. I was like about that close, about this close to getting something. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for everything. You guys are beauties. Make sure to leave a comment, a like, and subscribe on your way out. Oh yeah, we're on our way to go get an oil change. I gotta get an oil change for the Beast Jeep over here. And yeah, we'll take you guys along for the ride. Yeah, even though this is after the game, I didn't have an intro, so now this is gonna be the intro to the game. And I'll see you guys out on the ice. Yeah. Red lights on. You can see it.
Are you excited?
I got dressed so quick. I thought it was gonna be late.
Fashionably late. What's the score gonna be?
Get a shutout. I'm calling it now. What do you think the score's gonna be?
Let's see. You guys are winning 3-2.
3-2.
Yeah, 3-2.
It's gonna be a close game.
Oh yeah, I think so.
Playing the Phantoms, they're a try-hard team.
They're pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, they're not bad. They're one of your favorite teams to
I know.
watch.
I like watching the Phantoms, KMD, and the Crossbars, the sub squad.
Actually, all the teams are pretty good.
Heck yeah. Everybody's here tonight, so that's nice.
Yeah, we got 11 guys.
Sick.
Oh, we're the sub squad. That's
Not
us, but
tonight.
we got Trevor though.
Trevor! Fair League Vendor!
Yeah, it looks like they're the sub squad.
Everybody made it. This is awesome.
I'm gonna go out there. What's up, Harry?
It's gonna be a good game.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out there. I'm gonna get a good stretch and a good warm up because I'm feeling good today. And go Oilers and Panthers.
Woo!
Oilers won today, so I'm pumped. Yeah, that's gonna be a good series.
Let's go!
Let's go! Make sure. We just scored to make it 1-0. 19 minutes into the first period. We just scored to make it 2-0. 18 minutes left in the second period, or sorry, first period. We just scored to make it 3-0, 4 minutes and 45 seconds left in the first period.
Get ready, big. Let's go. Nice. Snap!
Jesus, Jen.
Go left off.
Got one going, for fuck's sake.
Oh, that was close. Good. Right? Yeah, I'm good. I did too. Great save. Good. Oh my god, that was lucky.
Wait, did he save that? Did he just save that? Oh my god, he's amazing.
Fuck, I thought I had that. It hit your leg and still right. I know.
Ah! Nice save! Snap! Way to be there, babe. Way to be there. Watch out, babe. Watch out. Oh! Let's go. You ready, babe?
That was it. We just scored to make it 4-1. 4-1. 1 minute and 10 seconds left in the second period.
Get it out of there, guys. Not today, baby. Woo!
We just scored to make it 5-1. 18 minutes left in the third period. We just scored 6-1, 9 minutes and 30 seconds left in the third period.
Nice.
We just scored to make it 7-1. 5 minutes left in the third period.
Didn't go in either.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. They've only let him one go?
So close to
You
a
only let
shutout.
him one
Like,
go?
damn it, I had it too. Oh, my bad.
That's awesome.
Dude, it hit my pad and then it went in.
I know.
Damn it. I was like, I thought I had it. I was like, I got it.
I accidentally got it on camera.
Did you?
So.
You look good though?
Yeah. You look so good.
Oh, it's so cool.
Yo, what was up with that one that like went in the pocket
It like,
there?
I didn't see it. It like popped up in the air. It went really high up and someone batted it down and like went on the side of the net.
Yeah, I was like, what?
And then one of my GoPros died.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
It's okay. I got some goodies.
Thank you. Yeah, it was a good game. We won 7-1. It was a pretty tight game for the most part. It was 3-1, I think.
Didn't they score at the end? In the last like 5 seconds?
I don't know, maybe.
Was it 8?
It was 8-1, 7-1. I don't know. I don't think they count it.
We'll say 7-1.
We'll just say 7-1.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, that was a good game.
Nice.
Overall, we had like a bunch of good players out there.
Heck yeah. Yeah, I'm glad you guys had Trevor and Brandon and Wilsey and the whole
Brandon,
squad.
every time he like scores or messes up, he goes, fuck.
Dude,
He screams at the top of the voice.
he's so good though. He's really
Good
great.
work, Tim. Thank you.
Let's go.
It's all good. Thank you. Yeah, come on, Rusty.
Thanks.
You didn't even play. Rusty didn't even play.
What?
TSYLI.
Shame. That was awesome. Oh, if you didn't hear me like screaming in the stands.
Were you screaming?
I was like, wow.
Nice save, 6 save.
Let's go.
I was screaming like every time I made a 6 save.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna film you like walking so you can speed it up.
Film Rusty walking.
What? No.
Rusty,
No.
why didn't you play,
You
dude?
didn't even play.
Did you not see me coaching out there?
No.
Shame
Yeah,
on
you have to